Assalamualaikum. Uh, Kami daripada grup yang terdiri daripada saya, Muhammad Zikri Mustaqim dan Anwar.
Saya Nurbatisha binti Asmawi.
Saya Isma binti Ismail.
Saya Muhammad Akmal Irfan bin Muhammad Fidaus.
Saya Muhammad Aiman bin Khairullah.
Hari ini kami ingin membentangkan tentang kes study 6 yang diberi tajuk General Contract Specification for Hvac Work. Proposal of Contract Specification. Ini adalah lambang company kami, ASG Enterprise, prepared by ASG Enterprise yang beralamat di nombor 22 Jalan Pegaga F, U12/F, Desa Alam 40170, Shah Alam, Selangor. Dan kami punya laman web adalah www.asgenterprise.com. Berikut merupakan nombor telefon kami. Proposal of Contract Specification. Proposal to install type of chiller at Technical University of Malaysia, Melaka. List chiller yang kami gunakan adalah water cool chiller, yang kedua adalah air cool chiller. List untuk cooling tower adalah 1 counter flow, 2 cross flow, 3 MCM series. List of water pump, 1 centrifugal pump, nombor 2 vertical pump, nombor 3 horizontal pump. Testing and commissioning, TNC, vacuum, leak test, test run and check efficiency temperature unit, air lock removal. Tenaga pekerja yang kami pakaikan untuk menginstal unit chiller ini adalah banyak 15 orang.
Ini adalah specification of water cool chiller daripada ASG Enterprise. Ini adalah specification of air cool chiller yang kami buat untuk installation. Dan ini adalah specification untuk centrifugal pump.
This is the design and standard materials. Specification of vertical pump for our SSG enterprise.
Ini pula adalah spesifikasi of cross flow cooling tower. Ini pula adalah spesifikasi of counter flow cooling tower. Ini pula spesifikasi of MCM series cooling tower daripada company kami, ASG Enterprise.
Timeline. This project shall be developed in period of 12 months. Phase, project planning, date, comments, identifying requirement and criteria preference by client. Kick-off meeting, 24 May 2014. Date complete to 24 May 2014. This meeting is an opportunity to orient the team to the work at hand, decide how everyone will work together, and establish common project goals and check-ins. Material submission and approval. 10 June 2014. Date complete 12 June 2014. Submitted in construction management are shop drawing, material data, sample and product data. Submitters are required primarily for the architect and engineer to verify that the correct product will be installed on the project. Installation approval 23 23 10 2014. Date complete 24 2014. Maintenance approval means approval upon inspection and certification by responsible party and given completion of all measurement and field notes. Permission given backfill the system. Start work. 1 July 2014. Date complete 2 March 2015. Servicing work of the system and the startup according the schedule and of equipment. PIC inspection. Date commenced 3 March 2015. Date complete 10 March 2015. Come at the end of the project to servicing the unit. It usually involves the client formally accepting the asset, the work area, and relevant information from the contractor. Air conditioner repair fix. Pricing, description, Daikin, York, wiring work. Daikin per unit 500, York 500. Wiring work depend on site. Amount for Daikin 70,000, York 65,000. Wiring work 15,000. Terms and condition. The proposal is between UTEM and ASG Enterprise. Commencement. The contract shall be effective upon the approval of the proposal upon signing by both parties. Service. The company will offer installation of chiller system and electrical wiring for this project. Project modification, installation of chiller system, electrical wiring. Required payment. The client will pay the following: 20% upon the effectivity of this contract, 20% upon the estimate, 40% completion of the project, 20% upon 60% completion of the project. 40% should be paid upon turnover. A retainer fee 2,000 should be paid on monthly basis for the maintenance of the system. All payment will be through check or bank deposit. Confidentiality. The terms and conditions contained in this contract shall be constitute confidential information, and the recipient of such and confidential information agrees to keep confidential the confidential information from any parties unless prior with written consent of the other party has been sought. In the event that the recipient of the confidential information is legally compelled by any governmental authority, including but not limited to court or other governmental bodies, and disclose any confidential information for the other, the other shall be promptly notified so that the latter may be able to seek protection other or avail itself of other appropriate remedies, and with compliance with the provision hereof. The provision of this section shall survive the termination of this contract, whatever reason. Termination. This contract shall expire without notice to the parties and shall be deemed terminate upon the period of occurrence of the following event. Number 1, in the event that a law regulation is passed, the operation of an implementation of which would result in the non-execution of obligation of any the parties to the contract. Mutual agreement of the parties terminate this contract. Confirmation. I understand that upon signing an agreement between the company and the client, represent shall take effect under the terms and conditions found herein. By signing this form, I affirm under the penalty of perjury in accordance with the law that I have the capacity to represent the client into entering this contract. Signature General SG TS Dr. Ramli, date signed 7 January 2014. Thanks.